Crystalline.
Oh, hi, Maria. How are you doing?
I'm good. Your garden looks very beautiful as usual.
Thank you, Maria. This place gives me a lots of peace.
You must be tired by doing all this work.
It's alright. How are the kids doing, Maria?
They are good, Crystalline. So I'm going. I'm getting late. Okay, I'm going for
Okay.
mass.
Alright. I'll see you later.
Bye. Take
Bye.
care.
Hey mom,
Hi, son.
you still working in the garden?
You know how much I love to be over here, so I thought of spending some extra time here.
You want me to help you with that?
Actually, how about we take a break and I make a cup of tea for both of us?
Good idea. Let me set up the garden table. Okay. Where's mom? Why is she taking so long? Mom, you okay?
Yes, son, but I don't know why am I here and what am I doing here?
You came to make tea for us.
Oh, yes. I think I'm a bit tired. You go. I'll make the
sure?
tea. Yes, darling, you go. Where's the tea? Where's the tea?
Mom, what are you searching?
Eldon, I told you 10 times, don't touch my things. I can't find the tea. The tea is not there. Where is the tea?
Mom,
The tea is not here.
Mom, it's right here.
Mom? What is this state?
What is wrong with you? Are you okay? Have you lost it? What is happening?
What's wrong with you? Just calm
Greta,
down.
I just went out to get something to eat. The gas is on, water is running. She's been
but-
acting weird these
I
days.
understand, but calm down, Eldon. Just look at her. Mom, are you having a bad day?
Who are you?
Mom, you're joking, right?
I don't know who you are. Leave me alone.
Mom, see what I've got you.
Leave me alone. I don't need to. Leave
Mom?
me alone. Leave me alone. I said I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. I want to go home.
What's wrong with her?
Are you okay? I told you, right? She's been acting weird. Mom, why you are not eating your food?
I want to go.
Mom, we'll go home. First eat your food.
Where is my son? Call my son.
Don't embarrass me.
My
I'm your son.
My son.
I'm telling you, eat the food.
No, I don't want food. You.
Mom, eat the food.
No, I want to go home. Home.
We'll go home after you eat the food. Eat the food.
Mom, I want to go home. I want to go.
What is wrong with you? Is this how you behave? So embarrassing.
What's wrong with you? Look at her state, Eldon.
Did you see what she did inside?
Yeah, calm down. Mom, are you okay?
She's not okay.
Eldon, just calm down.
Don't tell me to
Just
calm down.
look at her.
You see what she did inside?
Eldon, stop. Okay, Mom. We're going home. We're going home.
Let's go.
Come, auntie, come.
I want to go
No,
home.
don't worry. We are about to
Home,
reach to your
home.
house, okay? No, you don't have to
Mark?
worry.
Mom, I thought
Greta.
you were inside.
Don't worry, Greta. I need to have a word with you.
Okay, come, let's have a cup of tea. Mark, I'm so sorry about, the party, Mom. I don't know what was wrong with her that day.
Mark, we're really embarrassed of what has happened.
Exactly, I'm so sorry.
Guys, you all don't have to say sorry to me. And I'm not come here because of that. I was at restaurant today and I was just having a cup of tea. Suddenly, Mum walks in.
My son. You know my son. My son. Where's my son?
Auntie?
You know my son.
Yeah, I do,
My
auntie.
son,
Yes,
you know.
come. Your son's name is Eldon, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
come, have a seat. Have a
But I
seat.
want to go to my son.
I will take you, don't worry.
You will take me
Yes,
home?
I will take you home.
I don't know my son. I want to go home.
I do,
want
auntie,
to go
don't
home.
worry. You will go home. I'll take you to your son,
Yeah,
okay?
take me.
Now, sit, relax. I'll get you some water,
But I
okay?
want my
I'll get you
son.
some water.
I want my
She was
son.
very distressed. Seems like lost. So I calmed her down, gave her some water, and brought her straight away here.
Mark, you know what? Recently she's been acting weird.
Eldon, so what I was saying,
I want
auntie, thank you so much.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
Mom?
Auntie, the tea is very nice. Can you get some biscuits as well, please?
Mark, are you okay? The tea is so bad.
Greta, I know the tea is bad, but what I think with mum is that from my knowledge and understanding, and I've been in this field for so many years, mum has got dementia. She shows all the sign of dementia to me.
What's dementia?
So, dementia is a condition that affects the brain and causes memory loss. And the understanding, there's change in the behavior. Now, for example, you have studied the whole year, and when it comes to exam, you have forgotten every single thing that you have learned. How would you feel?
It would be frustrating.
That's how your mum is feeling at the moment, frustrated.
I did not know Mom was going through all this.
Don't cry, Greta. There's nothing to worry about. Tomorrow I'll book an appointment for you. Get mum at my clinic. Okay? And meanwhile, I'll send a carer where she can help mum with her daily activities and daily routine. So don't worry about it.
Thank you, Mark.
No worries.
Thanks, Mark. Eldon, it's late. Are you not coming to bed? Eldon, you okay?
I'm not okay, Greta. Mom is going through all of this. And this is how I behave with her. When I was small, she was patient with me. But now that she needs me, I've failed as a son. I've failed as a son.
Eldon, I do understand what you're feeling right now. Any son looking at his mother behave like this would have reacted the same way like you did, Eldon. But now that we know what's going on with her, we can, do the research and, be there for her. We need to be strong for Mom, Eldon. We need to be strong.
Good morning, Crystalline.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Would you like to have a cup of tea?
Yes, please.
Let's go. We'll make it together.
Okay. And some biscuits, please.
Oh, sure. Which one you like?
Have patience with me, my dear. I'm lost and feel alone. It's hard to comprehend. Don't give up on me, though my body fails. Be my strength, my hope, and never fail. Show me what I like, the things I've known. Remind me of who you are, your loving tone. Feed me what I enjoy, the tastes I recall. Though I cannot show it, I love you all. My heart is filled with love, though my words may cease. I promise you my love will never decrease. So hold my hand and guide me through the night. With your love and patience, I find my light.